Hi everyone. Today we have Mrs. Intusha with us. She is from Kunur. She had some dental issues and she lost her upper teeth. Lower also she has some problems. So we placed implants and restored her teeth and brought her smile back. We just finished the treatment and let's listen to her about her experience here in this clinic.
I'm so happy that I could get my teeth done, and I thank Dr. Jaibin and Dr. Das for all the treatments they have given me and the time they spent. And I feel really, really good that I could do something at the age of 87. And the staff and everybody has been really, really good to me. I thank all of them for being so nice to me. And I would recommend this surgery to any of my friends who are ready.
Thank you so much. And you live in Kunur?
I stay in Kunur.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I was in America working there. And then when I came to Kunur after a few years, I fell down and most of my teeth came out because I fell on a cement. And then I had to do something. The doctor over there, the dentist, Ruby,
Dr. Ruby,
she said that it is better that you get implanted because you need it. And I'm happy that she suggested and I met you. And I'm very, very happy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.